Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study. My name is Rudropal. I have total 8 years of industry experience and I love programming very much. In this series of video, we will solve GATE previous year's question one by one and we will learn the programming concept. So please subscribe to our channel Unify Study and click the bell icon of the upcoming videos. So now see one problem which appears in GATE 2019. So what is the problem? There is a method called jumble which take x and y as an argument, and there is a expression x is equal to 2 star x plus y, and it returns the value of x. And there is a main method. In the main method also there are two variables, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Now we are invoking the jumble method with y and x, and the return value will be assigned to y. And after that we are again invoking the jumble method with the argument y and x, and the value will be assigned to x. After that we are trying to print the value of x. The question is, what will be the value of x? So if you see this program has a one method called jumble. So what is the jumble method? It is taking two argument x and y. It is calculating the value of x, that is value of this expression, that is 2 star x plus y, and the value of the expression is again assigned to the value of x. That means if the value of x is 1 and value of y is 1, so after the expression will be evaluated, so what will be the value? 2 star 1 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. That means 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 3, and 3 is assigned to the same variable x. That means when the assignment will happen to x, the value of the x will be updated because the x is local variable. So after evaluating the expression and assignment, what will be the value of x and y? The value of x will be 3 and value of y is equal to 1. So and it will return the value of x, that means it will return the value of 3. So if you see the main method also, here also the same thing is happening. We are assigning the return value of jumble to y, and again we are assigning the return value of jumble method to x. So that means when the jumble method will return, it will update the value of y, and next time when the jumble method will return, it will update the value of x. Now see what will be the return value of jumble when you invoke this method with y and x. So the main tricks here, the variable names. If you see here in the main method also we are declaring the value x and y. Here also we are using x and y. So don't be confused, because these x and y is local to jumble. There is no relation between this x and y and between this x and y. There is no relation because these x and y are local to main, and these x and y are local to jumble. So there is no relation between this x and y in jumble method and x and y in main method. So don't confused. So only trick is here we are invoking the method with y and x. So what will be happen? This y will be assigned to here and this x will be assigned to here. That means when you invoke first time jumble y and x, then the value of y is 5 and value of x is 2. So we are invoking jumble 5 by 2. So this 5 will be assigned to x. That means this 5 will go to x and this 2 will be, so this will be the x and this will be the y. So what will be the value of this expression? So this x will be updated by 2 star x plus y. That means 2 into 5 plus 2. That is 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 is that is 12, and it will return the value x. That means this jumble method will return the value 12, and this 12 will be assigned to y. So after execution of this line, what will be the value of x and y? That means x is again 2 and y is changed to 12. Now we are again invoking the jumble method with y and x. That means jumble 12 and 2. So this 12 will go to x and this 2 is go to y in the jumble method. So what will be the value of this expression? So the value of the expression will be 2 star x plus y in the jumble method, that is 2 into 12 plus 2, that is 26. So this jumble method will return 26. and this 26 will be assigned to x. So after this line, after execution of this line, the value of x will be changed to 26. So what will be the value of the print statement in x? The value of the variable x will be 26. So this method will print the value 26. That means after execution of these two lines, the value of x and y is changed. So x is changed to 26 and y is changed to 12. So the problem is very simple. Only trick is here this this variable name. This name is little bit confusing, because in the main method also we are declare this variable x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. In the jumble method also we are taking this as a x and y. So this is confusing. So don't be confused. Always think that these x and y are local to jumble and this x and y is local to main. So when we invoke jumble y by x, this y will be assigned to x and this x value will be assigned to y. So this value of y is, here it was 5 and x was 2. That means after this execution of this method, the value of x here is 12. So it will return 12, and next time also we are invoking the method similarly 12 and 2, and which will return 2 into 12 plus 2, that is 26. So the value of x will be 26. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Unify Study and click the bell icon so that you get notification of upcoming videos. Thank you so much.